Okay, so we are here today with Sexy Smooth Wax Cherry Desire. I seen this video on Waxing Queen's page, and we're gonna try it today.
It's more clumpy, and my mom said when it's more clumpy, it's like less.
And Haley's doing her videos.
Less hotter, so it won't hurt your skin.
So we're gonna take this, and we exfoliated yesterday. We're gonna take, and we got some hairs there, y'all. We're gonna put the little powder on there.
No, you're supposed to show them.
No, you gotta be afraid of me, baby. This. Don't be afraid to. Look, y'all, we got some hairs in there. We're gonna do the waxing.
And what we do is we put baby powder in it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait, hold on. We put baby powder. So when you put baby powder, it's less hotter. And
Oh, well, should I have started with this side since you're over here? Yeah. Okay, so we got this side.
It's the exact same.
And Haley wants to do it, the first to do it. So I was like, all right, come on.
Matthew, are you going to do that side? Okay, well then you need to watch me. Raise up your hand.
Blow it or don't burn
So
me.
whenever my mom be mean to me, Mom, come over here.
You gotta, oh, you better hurry up. It's going down. You know I love you, right?
Nope. No, I don't think you love me.
Don't go everywhere. Stay in order.
Yeah,
Ain't you supposed to go one way?
I'll spread that everywhere for you.
No. Then you won't be able to do the other arm. I wouldn't trust you.
What's the other arm? Dude, that look like your.
Y'all, Haley about to get me.
Right? I just gotta let it sit. Wait, let's move y'all to right here so y'all can see a better view. So I did do that all by my own. So whenever my mom be really, really, really mean to me.
Come on, you can't let it dry too much. You're just going to hurt.
That's what I want. Don't do
What?
that. So whenever my mom.
We didn't agree to this.
You said for me to wax you.
Not to make it hurt.
Well, it's gonna have to hurt.
Oh,
So
my Lord Jesus.
whenever my mom be mean to me, I take it into waxing. So.
Jesus Christ.
Go.
Oh, wait a minute now. Whoa. It's got grip, y'all. It's got grip. Come on. Oh, my Lord Jesus. Ah! Ah! Haley Jane. I'm not going to trust you ever again.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Haley, take it off if you're going to take it off.
Okay. Ooh, it has grip.
Let me see.
Look at all those hair.
Ew, don't come that way.
Let me see.
Ew.
Oh, y'all, it definitely has grip, y'all. Can y'all? How you do it sideways like this?
Okay, did you see me the first time, Matt?
Oh my Lord! Oh yeah, it definitely has that grip. How you do the thing
I
like
need
this?
to show my camera.
Oh yeah, it definitely did it.
Look at all of that hair.
Hold it like that. Let me show you.
No. Okay, Matt, come here.
Oh yeah, it definitely did it. You gotta do a cleanup strip.
Oh, I'll clean it.
But Haley, don't play with it, man. Come on, if you're gonna do it, come on. That's too much wax.
No, it isn't because you gotta spread it. No, wait. Let me do it.
Oh my Lord.
Oh, I didn't know there was some down here.
That's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Remember, you gotta go the opposite way.
So then.
I don't know if this was a good idea, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let it dry. Y'all don't know if this was a good idea. Okay.
Oh, that hurted just from that little bit.
Come on.
It's not ready yet.
It's not ready.
Hey, did you see how I did it?
He don't need to do it. He don't need to do
He's
it.
gonna do it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's not ready.
Can you come on and take it down?
It's not ready.
It's ready. Do stagger dagger.
Oh, just tag it out.
Girl, just come on.
Okay.
Do it correctly, Hetty Jane.
Well, Mom, I'm trying to get a grip of it. If you let me get a grip.
Y'all, she's calling me cry. Just come on, do it.
Just rip it, go.
Oh no, it don't hurt too bad like that.
But you haven't got to the hairs. That's what the hairs are done with.
Oh,
Oh, see, that's why I said it's not right.
it's okay. We're not perfect. They said we're.
Ooh, yeah, that's got the hair.
This is the cleanup strip. Perfect. We're gonna see y'all in part 2. Okay. Just know that there's a part 2.
Did pretty
The
good.
cleanup strip is really, really
We
good.
need to do one more, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let me see.
No, let me do it.
No, I will show you how to do it because you're not gonna kill me.
Part 2, guys. Go to part 2 because it's good and about to go.
She didn't even let me show you all the video. Okay, well there's a lot on here too. Okay, so let me show you. You pick up your stick, your wax. You gotta. Okay.
Okay, wait. Don't do it yet.
Don't need that much.
Okay, don't do it yet.
I got to because I'm already doing it.
No. Okay, so she's already doing
Get
it.
some hair right there.
I don't even know if I'm doing it right. I can't see.
Yeah. You're missing all that wax on that other stick.
Y'all can't see nothing.
Why are you doing that? Yeah, I don't think she knows what.
Oh, I should have just been looking right there. Okay. Hold up. How do you get that whole thing of wax thing in there? Okay, y'all. We're not professionals, y'all. We're not professionals.
I don't even know how to do this.
Oh. This ain't working.
You want me to do it?
Because you do it. When you do it, you hurt me. Take it from the bottom up.
This way? Oh.
Bottom.
There you go.
You get it all? Right here.
Oh, you want me to do some right there?
No, just take it off. Because, see, you're being mean to me.
I'm not being mean to you. Oh, you bleeding.
That's good. They say you're supposed to. It not good, but it says it's something that's not a bad thing. That means you got the hers up. Okay, Matthew. Y'all, we got a little bit off there.
Yeah,
That cleanup strip.
Repaired, okay?
No.
I'm gonna get his stick.
Okay. Bye, y'all.